Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Nissan GT-R versus R34. We'll dive into what makes each of these legendary vehicles stand out, from their raw power to their iconic designs. Get ready to discover the key differences and similarities that define these two titans of the automotive world. This comparison will highlight their evolution and enduring appeal. When it comes to performance, the R34 GT-R is powered by its legendary 2.6-liter twin-turbo inline-six, officially rated around 280 horsepower. The modern GT-R, however, steps up with a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering significantly more horsepower, often exceeding 500. Both vehicles are renowned for their sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, ensuring incredible grip and handling on the road or track. It's a true battle of engineering prowess. Visually, the R34 GT-R showcases a distinct, angular design that has become a timeless icon of Japanese automotive culture. In contrast, the modern GT-R adopts a more sculpted, aerodynamic form, reflecting its high-performance capabilities. Each car has carved out a unique legacy, influencing generations of car enthusiasts and setting benchmarks for performance and style. Their impact on the automotive world is undeniable. The R34 provides a raw, engaging driving experience, largely free from extensive electronic interventions, appealing to purists. The modern GT-R, on the other hand, is packed with cutting-edge technology, including sophisticated infotainment and advanced driver assistance systems, offering a blend of performance and comfort. It truly showcases how far automotive technology has evolved. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can make a huge difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.